Hey everybody, how's it going? Today is the day we are going to roll the lawn with the Agri-Fab lawn roller. Take a walk out here to the tractor. We got the hose in here filling it up. It's getting pretty full. I'm not sure how many gallons it takes, to be honest, because, well, you could figure out the volume with the dimensions of the roller, but you don't know how thick the walls are, so it'd be kind of tricky. So once this gets a little more full, we'll fire up the old John Deere D110. This tractor is beat, but it runs and it does okay. So, oh, looks like we might be full here, starting to spill out, so we'll shut the hose off and get going. Well, I'm finished rolling the lawn. Right now it is draining. So what's my impression? I like it. I've never had a lawn roller before. I've never rolled a lawn before, but it worked really well, and I'm impressed. So right now I'm just draining the water out for storage. And yeah, I didn't get too far into this area, but I did get over in here where I started, flattened out nicely, and it really did a really good around the trees. Now these need mulched and everything like that this year, but it did really nice getting rid of the frost heaves around the trees, and then the rest of the lawn down by the road. Dude was jamming. So yeah, I like it, and I'll definitely use it again. And not a bad investment for $200 some odd. Agri-Fab. It'd be nice if they had a way to just exchange this and have an aerator that goes into the same setup. That would be really awesome, but not that I'm aware of. I'll have to do some research. I know, totally something out of the ordinary, something different, and yeah, so that's my review of the Agri-Fab poly lawn roller from Lowe's. And that's a wrap. We'll catch you all at the next one. See you later. Bye-bye.